Hello all, welcome to EdrawMax. In this video, we will learn how to create a data flow diagram. Before we begin, let's understand what a data flow diagram is. A data flow diagram is used to represent the flow of information within a system visually. You can draw a data flow diagram to show how information leaves and enters into a system, how it is used, and where it is kept. Let's learn how to create a data flow diagram using EdrawMax. Navigate to File. Click on New, select Flowchart from the categories, and Data Flow Diagram from the subcategories. In this video, let's recreate an information flow at a bookstore. Click on the plus icon to open a new drawing sheet. Start building the data flow diagram by using the necessary symbols from the symbol library and add text. Next, select Connector under the Home tab. Choose the appropriate connector, and then connect all the symbols to indicate the data flow. To add the title to the diagram, select a required shape and add text. EdrawMax allows you to change the color. Select Fit to Drawing under the Page Layout tab. Uncheck Grid Lines under the View tab. You may also use the built-in theme to make it look more beautiful. Click on the From Beginning icon to view the diagram in a single frame. Now let's see a few examples of data flow diagrams that are already available in EdrawMax. This is a data management flowchart. Here's a dormitory management flowchart, a flowchart for handling bookstore orders, and a flowchart for a student registration for a test. Similarly, EdrawMax has plenty of data flow diagram examples to use as resources. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more diagram videos.